Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to use this tire lever. I'm going to put the link on the description down below where I got this at. So it came with pair. This looks durable. I'm going to show you how to use it. So first thing first, you're going to deflate the tire before you use this lever. So that pointy going up, blow, you're going to pop it up and then walk it to your left, and then there's a hook right there that hook to the spokes. I put a circle on it, hook it right there and leave it, and then get the other one about 3 inches down or 4 inches. That's where you're gonna pop it again. Once you pop it, walk it around, okay? Walk it all the way around, and this tire will come out loose. So you can see I'm walking it around, and right there it's open. So you're gonna do the same thing on the other side, okay? Same application. So now how to install a new tire, okay, using the lever. I'm gonna show you how to do that. But first thing first, what you want to do is pop it in. At the same time, you're walking it around with your both hands. You see I'm walking it around with both hands. I'm trying to hold it. I'm trying to close up the gap. Okay, the bead's closing up. You're gonna get to the point right there about like 6 inches that you cannot close it. So what you're gonna do, this is the lever comes in. So you're gonna pop it again, bow, facing outside right there, and then right there I'm gonna show you on the back side of it, pop it, bow, blow. Okay, you see two of them. Now you're just gonna press it in and then it will sit in. So you do the same thing on the other side. Alright, link on the description below where I got this. See you guys later. Peace.